Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is Heron's formula, and in that class we take and discuss all the important questions related to your NCERT exercise. Now in today's class we are going to take and revise a very important chapter related to your first term syllabus, which is what? Triangles. And this is very important for you and your upcoming exam. Now first of all we take and discuss a very important theorem related to angle sum property of a triangle. First of all we discuss about the angle sum property of the triangle. First of all we are going to take and discuss about a very important topic of your syllabus, which is angle sum property of the triangle. Okay, what is the angle sum property? You know that very well, dear student. Okay, for any triangle ABC, the sum of all interior angle, the sum of all interior angle means the sum of all interior angles of our triangle is 180 degree. That is angle A plus B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. This is a very important theorem related to triangle, which is what? The sum of all interior angle of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Okay. Now another very important theorem, which is what? Exterior angle property. What is the concept of exterior angle property, dear friends? Suppose that if one side of a triangle BC extend as D, then this is form an exterior angle. This is what? Exterior angle. Means angle ACD is your exterior angle. And according to exterior angle property of the triangle, dear friend, the exterior in the angle is always equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angles. Means that is exterior angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B. This is angle A and this is angle B. This is the exterior angle property of a triangle, Okay, so means what is the exterior angle property? It means if one side of a triangle is produced to some distance, then in that condition that exterior angle is always equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angle. So this is a very important concept and result related to the triangle. Okay, now we take and solve a very important question of your chapter triangle. Let's see. And the question is what? Let's see. If the bisector of angles of angles ABC, angle ABC and angle ACB and angle ACB of a triangle ABC of a triangle ABC of a triangle ABC meet at a point O. Meet at a point O. Meet at a point O. Then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A by 2. Now let's see its solution. This is the very important question of your syllabus. Let's see what is the process to solve that question. Look here, if the bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB of a triangle ABC. So first of all, we assume we draw a triangle ABC. Look, let us say a triangle ABC is there. So let triangle ABC, okay, in which the bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB meet at point O, means the bisector of the angle, this and this meet at point O. And let triangle ABC in which BO and CO are the bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. Angle B and angle C respectively, which meet at a point O. Okay, this is given. This is in given. And to prove what I prove, angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A by 2. Okay, angle we have to show that which angle? Angle BOC. So we take as this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Okay, now let's see its proof. So in proof, dear friend, let angle OBC is equal to angle 1 and angle OCB is equal to angle 2. First in triangle ABC. Now in triangle BOC, use the angle sum property. Use the angle. Now in triangle BOC, use the angle sum property of the triangle, that is angle 1 plus angle BOC plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so now from figure it is clear that angle 1 we can write as half of angle B and angle 2 is equal to half of angle C. Half of angle C, because of angle 1, the BO and CO are the bisectors of angle 1 and angle 2 respectively. Okay, so now look, angle 1 is equal to half of angle B plus angle BOC plus half of angle C is equal to 180. So from there we find angle BOC is what? 180 degree, okay, minus half of angle B plus half of angle C. Okay, now we can write as angle BOC is equal to 180 minus take common 2 to angle B plus angle C. We take equation number 1. We take equation number 1. Okay. Thus, dear students, this is the we take equation first. Means angle BOC is equal to 180 minus half of angle B plus angle C. But dear student, we have to show that the angle BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. So for that, we apply now. Look in triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, we applying the angle sum property. We applying the angle sum property of the triangle. That is, we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Thus, we have what? So now from here we find the value of angle B plus angle C. So from there the value of angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. Okay. We take equation number 2. So in this way, dear student, by the help of this equation, we find the value of angle B plus angle C as 180 degree minus angle A. Now using equation 1 and 2, we get now, dear students, using equation 1 and 2, we get what we get. Let's see. We put the value of angle B plus angle C in that equation. Okay. So the value of angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus half of angle B plus angle C means what? 180 degree minus angle A. That is 80 minus, we multiply them. So this is minus 180 upon 2 minus plus half of angle A. So 2 9s are 18. So this is 90. So here we get 180 minus 90 plus half of angle A by 2. Half of angle A by 2. So look here, 180 minus 90, that is 90. We get as angle BOC is equal to, this is 90 plus half of angle A by 2. Thus, in this way, we have to show that this is our result. So this is, hence we write as 2. Okay, so dear student, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take some other important questions based on triangle. Let's see. And the question is, ABC are the three angles. ABC are the three angles. ABC are the three angles of a triangle. ABC are the three angles of a triangle. if a minus b, if a minus b is equal to 15 degree, comma b minus c is equal to 30 degree, find angle A, angle B and angle C. Find angle A, angle B and angle C respectively. Now let's see its solution. Okay. So dear students, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of the question based on the triangle, and then after you can solve that type of question. Dear students, we solve this question by the help of angle sum property of a triangle. So look, so dear students, first of all we have a minus b is equal to 15. So from there we write as angle b is equal to a minus 15. Okay, take equation number 1. Similarly, b minus c is equal to 30 is given that, so we write angle b is equal to what? 30 degree plus angle C. We take question number 2. So in this way, first of all we write angle B in terms of angle A, as well as we write angle B in terms of angle C, in terms of angle C. Okay. Now, since we know that the sum of all angle of a triangle 180 degree. Okay. Since we know that the sum of all angle of a triangle is what? 180 degree. That is, now what I do? We put angle B as angle A minus 15. We can write now. We write this in this way. Now here we can write A is equal to angle A is equal to 15 plus angle B also, and from there we can write angle C as B minus 30 degree. So we put angle A as this. So angle A is what? 15 plus B we put here, and angle B write as it is, and angle C we put as angle B minus 30. We can write now by the help of previous given question which is given in our question. Question is equal to what? 180 degree. Is equal to what? degree. Now we break the brackets. Look, so 15 plus B plus B plus B minus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So from there B that is what? 3b plus 15 minus 30, that is minus 15 is equal to 180. So from there this is 3b is equal to 180 plus 15, that is 3b is equal to 180 degree or plus 15. 180 or plus 15 is what, dear friends? 195. Okay, so from there the value of angle B is equal to 195 upon 3. 195 upon 3. 6 is the 18. 135 is the 15. Value of angle B is what? 65 degree. In this way, we get the value of angle B is what? 65 degree. 65 degree. Okay, dear students. Now, look. Now, in this way we find the value of angle B. Okay. Now, using 1 and 2. Thus, from equation 1 and 2, we get from 1 angle A is equal to what? 15 plus angle B. So 15 plus angle B is what? 65. So angle A is equal to what? 80 degree. This is another answer. This is first answer, angle B. And if now from 2 and from equation 2 angle C is equal to what? B minus 30 degree. B minus 30 degree. This is in from the help of the second equation. Okay, so here B is what? 65 and minus 30. This is 35. This is another one. So in this way, dear students, angle A is what? 80 degree. The value of angle A is what? 80 degree. The value of angle B is what? 65 degree. And the value of angle C is what? 35 degree. So in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, this is one of the most important questions. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important question. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other important question based on this topic. Look, a triangle ABC. This is very important question. A triangle ABC is right angled at A. Is right angled at A. Is right angled at A. AL is drawn perpendicular. AL is drawn perpendicular to BC. Prove that angle BAL is equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB. This is a very important question related to your chapter triangle. Let's see its solution. Now look, dear students, first of all, we draw a triangle, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at ABC, right angle at A, and AL is drawn perpendicular to BC. This is drawn perpendicular to BC, AL. Okay, now we have to show that angle BAL, that angle is equal to ACD, that angle. Okay, now for that, so in triangle, first of all we take triangle ABL, after that we triangle ABC. Now first in triangle ABL we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. So we get as angle B, that angle, plus this is 90 plus angle BAL. Angle BAL is equal to what? 180 degree. So from there angle BAL is equal to 180 minus 90 degree minus angle B. So we have angle BAL is equal to what? From there angle BAL is equal to what? 90 degree minus angle B. We take equation number first. Okay. Now in triangle ABC. Now, dear friends, now we take triangle ABC. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, dear friends, in triangle ABC, we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. We apply the angle sum property of the triangle. Okay. Now look. So ABC, we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. So we have here friends, we get as what? We apply the angle A, mean BAC, angle BAC, okay, plus angle B plus angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree means angle BAC plus angle B plus angle ACB is equal to what? 180 degree. Now from there, so angle BAC according to our question, angle BAC what? 90 degree. So this is what 90 na? This is 90 degree. So here we put as 90 degree plus angle B write as it is plus angle ACB write as it is equal to 90 degree. Now we transfer these two angles that side. So we have angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus angle B minus angle B. Now from there angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree minus angle B. So angle ACB is equal to 90 degree minus angle B. We take equation number what? 2. Now look, using equation 1 and 2. Thus using equation 1 and 2 we get, now using equation 1 and 2, look, this is 90 minus angle B, this is also equal to 90 minus angle B. Okay, so look, using 1 and 2, so this is 90 minus angle B, and so now we equating the value of 90 degree minus angle B as we get angle BAL is same as angle ACB. ACB has proved. Okay. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. We just revise all the questions. Okay, so please do more and more practices, dear students, of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practice of the question which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Okay. Thus, dear students, in next class we take and solve some important questions based on triangles and its properties. So please, you revise all the important questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes, and complete your NCRT exercise, solve your examples of your textbook, and so on. Okay. So now, dear students, now thanks to all.